Today we're going to talk about 7 strategies that will help you in the road to success. I hope you are going to watch the entire video to learn something new. We're glad you're back at Motivation Pulse, where we fuel your aspirations and inspire your dreams. Today, we're delving into the keys to success and learning tactics that will help you achieve your objectives. You can call me Exxon, and together we'll travel the road to success. Let's get going. Success is a journey, and every trip needs a map to follow. So let's begin with the first strategy: setting goals. Setting goals is like providing your dreams with a GPS. Your objectives should be put in writing, be explicit and measurable, and have a deadline. This will offer you a clear direction and enable you to maintain your attention on what is most important. After establishing our objectives, it's time to implement approach number 2: planning and organization. To make sure you're moving forward, organization and planning are crucial. Make a schedule, list your chores in priority order, and break down your goals into smaller tasks. Keep in mind that an organized day is a productive day. The third strategy is all about having a positive mindset. Your mentality is a strong tool. Develop the ability to think positively. Have confidence in your talents and picture achievement. Positivity draws opportunities and increases motivation. Let's now discuss the fourth strategy: continuous learning. Growth is an ongoing road towards success. Reading books, going to seminars, and surrounding yourself with mentors are all ways to invest in oneself. Keep in mind that having information will offer you the advantage you need to succeed. A game changer is strategy number 5: taking action. It's time to go forward. The secret to making your aspirations a reality is to take action. Begin small, face your anxieties, and accept failure as a necessary step on the path to success. Keep in mind that every little bit matters. The sixth tactic is persistence and resilience. It's not always easy sailing to success. It involves overcoming obstacles head-on and recovering from setbacks. Accept defeats as vital lessons learned and continue to move forward. Never forget that every loss presents a chance for a return. Seventh and final tactic: surrounding yourself with supportive people. Collaboration is key to success. Be in the company of people who are optimistic, encouraging, and dreamers. They'll motivate you, offer advice, and support you when things are hard. You two will reach new heights together. And there you have it: 7 techniques for realizing your goals and achieving the height of success. Keep in mind that success is a lifelong path of progress and fulfillment rather than a destination. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it to your friends. We appreciate you tuning in to Motivation Pulse today. I hope these tactics have inspired you to go after your dreams with no fear. Keep in mind that you have the ability to write your own success story. Continue to be driven, inspired, and bursting with ambition. Up until then.